Morning and welcome to Dogfish Fishing Adventures again. It's about 4:30 in the morning, all anchored up, a couple of dogs so far. Obviously trying for the old elusive cod. There's been a few more caught now since last week. So fingers crossed. A smaller tide as well, so that might help things. Not that it generally matters, but it might improve the actual fishing, holding bottom, etc. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Got a bite going on that one now. Probably another dog, but no eels yet. Touch wood. Touch me head. But yeah, can't be doing with the eels. Don't know what that is. Couple of good knots there. That's bouncing nicely. That might be an eel, admittedly. Let's hope not. A little bit of weed, but nothing to worry about. Holding with a pound of lead. I've got a pound and a quarter. There we go. Got a pound and a quarter on this one, but got a pound on that one. I'm holding all right. I think this is an eel. The way it's shudder. There it goes. There it goes. Yes, here we go. We're in. All right. Let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. Feels like an eel, the way it's backing off, but we'll see. Been fishing about half hour, 40 minutes now. Got it in low speed, just gentle winding. Makes life easier when you've got the 2-speed reels. Let's see. Put money on it's an eel. Put money on it's a dogfish. Oh well. Is it? No, it is a strap. I thought that was a doggy then. Oh well. Here we go again. Let's see. Hopefully they. I know they're still going to be there, but. That round there, T-bar, I've already got that ready. Hopefully he didn't swallow the other, it doesn't look like he has. God, the trouble is it's such a pain. Turn that down. Come on, get off. Yeah, bugger. There we go. There we go. It's easy with a T-bar. Oh, eels. Bane of my life at the moment. Seem to be following me, but hey ho. Got to get through them. I'm getting a nice bit of squid. In, out, and then back through the head. Obviously pennel. This is 270s. And I normally... Come on, you bastard. And I always put 1, 2, 3, even 5 squid. When I know the cod are there, I will just pile it on there. That's what I generally do to start with, to see how the land lies, so to speak. And then even with £1.25, I still like to cast it down tide there. Hold the rod out to one side, just so you're not, because you will approach the other rod and the other rod's going out. Right, let's get this one settled. Let's get it back where I need it, where I know it's going to hold nicely. Yeah, you won't bounce anymore, then just a little bit of slack, not too much. Set the drag, obviously. Now that one was bouncing away then. There's my rag. Have a doggy. Doesn't look like an eel bite or nothing. Oh, just holding there. If it's a doggy, see if I can just... No. I just pulled it from its mouth then. Let's trot that back down again. I want to try it as far as you can, get the angle right so you can hold nicely. Let a little bit of slack, set the drag, tickety-boo. Right, fingers crossed. Talk to you chaps in a bit. Well, welcome back. Got a better reel here. Let's check. Better fish, 15-odd pound. Gave a good account of itself, but sorry, I was so concentrating playing. Got to press the record. Let's just... There we go. That's good as well. It's not great, but 15 plus, easy. Certainly twisting the line up. They are, but no. Happy days. Bit better. Cool. Let's get it back down. Well, welcome back. Very slow, to be fair. 3 eels and probably about half a dozen dogs. But it's better than having conger after conger after conger, so I'm not going to complain too much. I think it's about 8 o'clock now, so tide's just starting to wheeze a bit, so that's nice. Sun's coming up. What a cracking morning. They're giving a bit of wind getting up later, but not enough to worry about, so let's see what else happens. Got one other boat up from me. Looks like a cheetah cat. Come out of Bewley, so let's see what we can get. No doubt there'll be other boats later, or very soon, I would have thought. Come on, where are you? Got to be here somewhere. At least me bait's not getting shredded like it was last week with 23 eels. I can cope with that. So yeah, bring it on. Come on, where are you, fish? Welcome back. Yeah, doesn't always pay, the odd gamble you do, but I've still got a couple of hours left. It has been a slow day, I know this particular mark is all or nothing, and at the moment it's been more nothing than all, but it is what it is. Still got a couple of hours. You do learn things, so sometimes you just gotta bite the bullet and try something different. Tide's just starting to ease up now, coming to low water. Low water's about 3, so I've had a few dogs, probably, I don't know, probably 10 dogs, 1 bream and 3 eels. The tide's easing up, so you never know. Still got a bit of a chance. It's been a nice day, relaxing day. Tide has absolutely screamed, which I knew it would do. And to be fair, I could have moved, but I've stuck it out. So we'll see what happens in the next couple of hours. Thought I'd give you an update anyway. Getting the odd little rattle now that tide's eased, so things are just starting to come back on the feed, so that's a good thing. So bring it on. 2 hours left. You never know, could all happen on the last drop. Seen it many times like that. Well, this is the last drop. I think it's a doggy on here. Well, I've certainly learnt a few things about this particular spot, so I'm happy. At least it wasn't a conger fest like it has been for the last few times. There we go. Last of the doggies. Well, I probably had about 12-15 dogs all day. Not great. 3 eels and 1 bream. And about 8 pound of squid I've used. Come on. Okay, come on. There we go. The other rod's going now. It's one of those things, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Sometimes, you know, you have to try different things, but I'm certainly pleased with the lack of eels here, so that's not too bad. Anything, you know, had a chance to get the bait, so I can't knock it there. But if they're not here, you're not going to get them. But at least I had half a chance with the bait and everything, so that was good. Right, let's start to pack up. Well, that's it, anchor's up. Nice cruise home. Give her a wash down, get her on autopilot, happy days. 3 eels, 15 odd dogs and 1 bream. I'm happy with those 3 eels. It's better than 23 what I had 2 weeks ago, so if there was a cod there, it had a chance to get on the bait, but it wasn't to be, so maybe next time. Let's get home. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. and tickety boo.